Have myself a little unboxing. So here we have Karys in the cool brunette blend, but this color, I love it. Now I want to see what it's going to be like, because this is the natural CBB, so I think it's a little bit brighter. I'll try to grab it just behind the ear tabs so I'm not pulling too much on the lace. And don't get me wrong, I'll pull right on it, but she's pretty. She's pretty. I'll have to, I think, cut the lace back a little bit more. It might be just that scandi hairline that's right there. I'm not too tan and I don't wear a lot of base makeup, so we'll see what I have to do with her. But Karys is one that I already know. I love the style, so I'm going to see what I'm going to do with that. I might just cut into it a little bit more to make it a little bit thinner. But otherwise, if this is the natural cool brunette blend CBB, I'm sold. She's pretty. All right, what else do we have? The other Karys, she was actually introduced on the show, is in that cool butter melt, which I was really interested to see what color it was, because it almost looked darker than the natural CBB. Let's just wake her up a little bit. But this is her color. She's really pretty. I wasn't sure. And these caps are stretchy. They're really good. Okay. All right. Again, I don't know. It just feels too yellow for me. Maybe I'm too red. Maybe I'm too hot. But I'll probably trim off some of that. Look at these ribbons. It's pretty. I get it. The butter melt in there with the cookie dough. Something like that. But this again is Karys. She has those light layers, some light curl. Just very easy. I'll just need to figure out what I'm going to do with that lace line, because she really is super cute. Love this style. So Angie in the CBB, the cool brunette blend. She is a T part. Do you see that? The lace makes like the letter T. So there's not as much lace space, but where I part in the middle already, she'll probably just need that blow dry trick to add some volume. But let me just throw her on so you can see her. Just waking her up a little bit. She does have the felt ear tabs, so a little bit firmer there. She's a little bit longer. And again, I believe she is just regular CBB. I don't think she's like natural CBB, but again, it already had like the highlights near the front, but she is pretty. And then that easy part in the middle that just falls with not much needing to be done. But this is Angie in the cool brunette blend. But she just falls. She's easy. Get a little lift up here and I think I'll be done, but we'll do another video on that. I have one more to unbox. This is Rubie, Scandi Light Brunette, and this is one of my favorite colors from Chelsea, is that light brunette. And then she added that Scandi hairline, and that's, oh, she's fitting a little snug like a petite. Did not get a petite. Maybe she just needs to stretch out a little bit, but I do have a 23-inch head around, but without those occipital bones in the back, I think it makes up a little bit. The same hairline that I think I'm just going to have to cut into it a little bit, try it in different lighting and see what's going on. But Rubie is still one of my favorites. Throw on and go, especially with these new hairlines that are coming. And I wanted the CBB in Rubie, but I haven't seen it come back since it was on the bundle. So I still have high hopes for that. But yes, this light brunette coloring, in love. So yeah, that's my unboxing. That's what I treated myself with last week. Last Tuesday I got these. They arrived today. All right, and I'll go through these one-on-one just to give the details, give a little overview. I'll definitely take you guys through what I figure out to do with the hairline, whether it's wearing wigs is a journey. We're going to learn and grow together. Make it a great day.